got our fabric strips woven, so the next step is to sew a back stitch along the top of the weaving too. And now I'm going to measure 5 widths of the same yarn that we used for the warp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little more. Remember, this is the same thread we used to sew along the bottom part of the weaving. So I'm going to thread my tapestry needle. Make these two ends meet. Tie a knot. With about an inch or so hanging down. I'm going to take my tapestry needle and go underneath the first warp thread. Pull it up. Now, just like we did on the bottom part, when we did the same process along the bottom of the weaving, I'm going to make a V in the two threads, go between those two threads, and underneath the next warp thread. I'm going to pull that knot up close, like so. Just like that. And we'll do the same thing all the way across, just like we did on the bottom. And on the very end here, I'll tie one more knot. And I'll let it hang down about an inch also. And now we're ready to cut it off the loom. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!